Take five, take five. Take five. Darren Favor brings home gold for interactive media. Oh, hi there. My name is Hamish McKillop. I'm a student in the Interactive Media Management program at Algonquin College. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the perfect eggie in the basket. But before we get started, let's get to know some of the ingredients involved. But first, always start by thoroughly washing your hands. Now let's take a look. Our ingredients include white Italian bread, eggs, Becel original margarine, Asiago cheese, if you feel like grating some cheese on it afterwards, cheese grated for it, chopping board, spreading knife, a thin glass about 3 inches wide at the lip, extra virgin olive oil if you require some extra lubrication in the pan, and that's it. So here's what to do. Grab a slice of bread, place it flat on the cutting board, take the glass and start twisting it into the bread on the cutting board like cutting cookies. Now, take your holy bread, spread some margarine on it, light the stove and put it up to medium heat. With your already margarinized butter knife, drop about 1.5 teaspoons of margarine into the pan. I'm using a wok in this example. Drop your slice of holy bread into the margarine on the pan, margarine side up, and immediately crack an egg into the hole. Now wait about 2 to 3 minutes, gently lift a corner with a spatula, and see if it's brown on the underside. If the underside is brown, flip it. Now wait about half as long after flipping the bread as you did last time, and serve. Well folks, that just about does it for today. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed yourself, and I sure as heck did. Hope you also enjoyed your breakfast, and I'll see you next class. Bon appetit, and ciao for now.